Hello, welcome to PhyzQuest. So this is the part 2 of the video of some of the problems and solution of vector calculus which appear in the exam of CSIR NET from June 2011 to December 2018. First part we have covered from June 2011 to December 2012. Here we will discuss from June 2013 onwards till December 2018. So question number 4 is, a unit vector n cap on the xy plane is at an angle of 120 degree with respect to I cap. The angle between the vectors vector u is equal to ai cap plus bn cap and vector v is equal to an cap plus bi cap will be 60 degree if. Here we need to find out the relationship between a and b under that condition. 4 options are given and we need to choose the correct option. So let's get started. So here there are two unit vectors n cap and I cap and the angle between them is 120 degree. Now two vectors u and v are constructed out using these two unit vectors. So they are, vector u is ai cap plus bn cap and vector v is an cap plus bi cap. We need to find out the relationship between a and b when the angle between vector u and vector v is 60 degree. So we'll take the dot product between vector u and vector v. This will be equal to ai cap plus bn cap dot an cap plus bi cap. So the left hand side will be magnitude of u into magnitude of v into cos 60 degrees. See, this is actually multiplication, not the dot product. So now here this is the left hand side. Right hand side will be equal to cos 60. Why? Because under that condition we have to find out the relationship between a and b. So this is angle between u and v is 60 degree. So this is equal to a square I cap dot n cap plus a b I cap dot I cap plus b a n cap dot n cap plus b square n cap dot I cap. Now the magnitude of u and v is the same. If you look carefully, the magnitude of both of them is square root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos 120 degree. Why 120 degree? Because this is the angle between I cap and n cap. So when we calculate the magnitude, this will be the answer in both the cases. So now this will be, the left hand side will be square root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos 120 degree whole square into cos 60 degree. This is equal to a square cos 120 degree, which is the angle between I cap dot n cap plus ab plus ba plus b square cos 120 degree, which is angle between I and n. So now right hand side will be square root and square. So ultimately it will be a square plus b square minus 2ab into half. Why minus here? Cos 120 degree is minus half. So when we multiply it, it will be minus 2ab into half into cos 60 degree value is half. So into half. This is equal to a square minus half into minus half plus 2ab plus b square into minus half. Now again left hand side will be half a square plus b square minus ab by 2. Right hand side will be minus half a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this will ultimately give a square plus b square minus 5ab divided by 2 is equal to 0. We need to find out the relationship between a and b, and we have got this type of term. So for that, to establish a relationship between a and b, what we can do is we have to extract a square term, perfect square term from this, so that we can establish a relationship. So how to do that? We can rewrite this as a square minus 2 into a into 5b divided by 4 plus 5b by 4 whole square minus 9b square by 16 is equal to 0. See, this is the same thing we have written like this. This 5 a square is there. 5ab by 2 we can write as 2 into a into 5b by 4. So to establish a perfect square term from this, there should be a term of 5b by 4 whole square. So we have and the remaining term will be 9b square by 16. So these two terms, 5b by 4 square is 25b square divided by 16 minus 9b square by 16. This will be ultimately lead to b square only. So this is the term. So these three terms constitute a square term, perfect square term, that is this will be a square of a minus 5b by 4 whole square. So this we can write as a minus 5b by 4 whole square is equal to 9b square by 16. And you can see this is also a square term, a perfect square term. So if you take the square root of both the sides, this will be equal to a minus 5b by 4 is equal to 3b by 4. So a will be equal to 5b by 4 plus 3b by 4, which is 8b by 4, which is a equal to 2b, which implies b equal to a by 2. So now if you look at the options here, you can see options C is matching with the result. So correct answer is option C. Now let's move away to the next question. Next question is from December 2013. So if vector A is equal to I cap yz plus j cap xz plus k cap xy, then the integral vector C is equal to integration from vector A dot dl. Vector C is equal to integration from vector A dot dl, where C is along the perimeter of a rectangular area bounded by x equal to 0, x equal to a, and y equal to 0 and y equal to b is what we need to find out. So here we have defined a contour C whose area is defined, and we need to find out the integral over the contour C a dot dl, the line integral a dot dl over the contour C we need to find out. Vector A is already given. So now the line integral of any vector over a closed contour is represented in Stokes theorem. So here we need to find out the line integral of vector A over a contour C, which is a rectangle. Now according to the Stokes theorem, this integration of a dot dl over the contour C is equal to the line integral. This is equal to the surface integral of curl of vector A, that is integration of del cross A dot ds. This is the surface integral. So here, in order to calculate the value of the integral, we need to find out the curl of vector A. A is given as I cap yz plus j cap xz plus k cap xy. So now del cross A, or the curl of A, is in terms of determinant form. This will we can write as I cap j cap k cap del by del x del by del y del by del z yz xz xy. So when we expand it, this will be I cap del xy by del y minus del xz by del z minus j cap del xy by del x minus del yz by del z plus k cap del xz by del x minus del yz by del y. So upon differentiation, this will yield I cap x minus x plus j cap y minus y plus k cap z minus z. So all the terms will goes to 0. So this curl of A is equal to 0, which means this integral value will also be equal to 0. So answer of this question is option D. Now let's move on to the next question. Next question is from December 2014. So in this question, we have a position vector R, which of any point in three-dimensional space, and this R is represented as the magnitude of vector R, this term. So then we need to find out which of the relationship pair of relationship is correct. So in this question, we are given a set of relationship based on the position vector when operated by a del operator. Primarily it considers del dot R, that is divergence of R, del cross R, that is curl of R, and del square R, that is the Laplacian of R. So before answering this question, I would like to tell you that see, here I have prepared a detailed video regarding the properties of del operator when they are used as gradient, divergence, curl, and Laplacian. The video also includes different relationship based on the position vector when operated with gradient, divergence, call and Laplacian operator. I would suggest you to please check the video. I'll put the link in the description box. Now let's coming to the question here. So here let's calculate first del dot r. Del dot r is this is the divergence of r. So as per the definition, vector del is I cap del pi del x plus j cap del pi del y plus k cap del pi del z dot I cap x plus j cap y plus k cap z, which is equal to del x pi del x plus del y pi del y plus del z pi del z, which is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Next, del cross r. As per the determinant definition, we can write this as I cap j cap k cap del pi del x del pi del y del pi del z x y z. Upon expanding, this will be equal to I cap del z pi del y minus del y pi del z minus j cap del z pi del x minus del x pi del z plus k cap del y by del x minus del x by del y. So all these terms will go to 0. So the answer for del cross r is equal to 0. Now here if you check all the option, you can see that option D is matching with our result. So correct answer for this question is option D. Now next question is from June 2018. In between there are no questions regarding vector calculus. So next question is from June 2018. Now question number 7 here is, so consider three vectors. V1 is equal to 2i cap plus 3k cap. V2 is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap, and V3 is equal to 5i cap plus j cap plus ak cap, where I cap, j cap, k cap are the standard unit vectors in a 3D Euclidean space. So the question here is, these vectors will be linearly dependent if the value of a is equal to, so this is the solution. So we have three vectors. V1 is equal to 2i cap plus 3k cap, V2 is I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap, and V3 is 5i cap plus j cap plus ak cap. So here we need to find out the value of a at which the vectors will be linearly dependent. So the condition to find out if the vectors are linearly dependent is if the determinant of the matrix form by taking the vectors as column goes to 0. So we have to write down the vectors into column form and form a matrix and take the determinant of that matrix. So if you do that, this is like this. So you can see this is 2i cap plus 3k caps, that means 2 0 3. This is I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap, this is 1 2 2, and last one is 5i cap plus j cap plus ak cap, so 5 1 a. This should be equal to 0 if they are linearly dependent. So if we solve it, it will be 2 into 2a minus 2 minus 1 into 0 minus 3 plus 5 into 0 minus 6 is equal to 0. So this will be 4a minus 4 plus 3 minus 30 equal to 0, which is equal to 4a minus 31 equal to 0, which is equal to, that means a equal to 31 divided by 4. So now if you check the option here, you can see option A is matching with our result. So correct answer for this question is option A. So here we have discussed all the problems from 2011 to 2018 for the vector calculus part of the problem. So see you in the next video.